Welcome to the Parsimony tutorial on the accounting function. In this video, we will focus on the trial balance tool. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently generate and analyze the trial balance using the Parsimony system. Once you've logged into Parsimony, click on the Accounting module to access various accounting functions. In the Financial Statements section, you'll find a range of tools to manage your financial data and reports. To access the Trial Balance tool, click on the Trial Balance option. The Trial Balance table provides a comprehensive view of your company's account balances at a specific point in time. The first column displays the name of the individual accounts, such as assets, liabilities, equity, revenues, and expenses. The account code column shows the unique code assigned to each account for easy reference. The debit and credit columns show the current balances for each account based on their transaction types. The opening balance and closing balance columns represent the starting and ending balances for each account during the selected period. You can use various filters to customize the trial balance, such as choosing a specific period, viewing accounts with balances only, and more. To export the trial balance or print it for your records, you can use the Export and Print options. If you make any changes to your financial data and want to update the trial balance, click on the Refresh button. To get more details about a specific account, you can use the Drill Down option. In the Detailed Account view, you'll find all the transactions and their corresponding amounts for the selected account. If you need more advanced reporting for specific accounts, access detailed reports for that account. Congratulations! You've learned how to generate and analyze the trial balance using the Trial Balance tool in Parsimony. Now, you can confidently track your financial data, review account balances, and gain valuable insights into your company's financial health. Thank you for watching, and happy accounting!